Hi everyone. Today we're going to continue with perimeter and we're going to talk about perimeter of rectangles. Now as you can see, all these rectangles are of different shapes and sizes. And they also have different units. So please make sure to be aware of the units when you write your final answer in the box below. Okay, I'm going to teach you a very easy way to do perimeter. Okay, so you just have to know one trick, that when you have very parallel shapes and parallel lines and shapes, like this line is parallel to this one and this one is parallel to this one. So that means the length is exactly the same. So for example, if this line is parallel to this line, if this one is 12 yards, then this one will also be 12 yards. Okay, so I'm going to mark it down. Always mark it down. Okay, 12 yards. And then if you have this one is parallel to this. So this will also be the same as the bottom line. So it'll be 6 yards as well. So now I have all my distances marked. I know this is 12, I know this is 6, I know this is 12, and I know this is 6. So again, all I have to do is just write it down. So for example, 6 plus 6 plus 12 plus 12. What do I get? So 6 plus 6 gives me 12. 12 plus 12 gives me 24. 24 plus 12 gives me 36. So my final answer is 36 yards. Okay? All right. So now let's try and do this one right here. Okay? Now I know this one is 4 inches, so this one will also be 4 inches right here. And if this line over here is 11 inches, this line will also be 11 inches. So now I have it marked. So all I have to do is add the 4 sides up. 4 plus 4 plus 11 plus 11. And what's my final answer? 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 11 is 19. 19 plus 11 gives me a 30. So my final answer is, my perimeter is 30 inches. Okay, because the unit here is inches. All right. So how about I give you another 10 seconds to try to do this one over here. Okay? Try and do number 4 for me. How would you do that? Don't forget to mark your distances here and here before you add all your sides together. It's your turn now. Okay. So we start now. So this is 1 feet, sorry. And this is 7 feet because of the parallel lines. If this is 1, this has to be 1. And this is 7, this has to be 7 because they are parallel lines. So our total equation becomes 1 plus 1 plus 7 plus 7. Which gives me 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 plus 7 equals 16. So my final answer is 16 feet. All right? And now let's do the last one. So for example, if this one here is 10, this one has to be 10. And if this one here is 17, this one also has to be 17. So let's mark it down first. So you have 10 yards, and here you've got 17 yards. So how do I add them together? I do 10 plus 10 plus 17 plus 17. And my final answer will be 10 plus 10 is 20. 20 plus 7, 37. And 37 plus 17 gives me 54. So my final answer here is 54. And so over here I'll write 54 yards because the unit here is yards. All right? I hope this was nice and clear. Please feel free to ask me any questions. Thank you.